So the first kit that we're going to go over is the surface probe kit, and we're going to guide you on how to set up the instrument, the PockET in this case, to prepare it for a high frequency surface inspection. So I'm going to use a 2 megahertz absolute probe. I have a lead that connects to the instrument and a micro dot connector on the back of the probe. With this connected, now I go into the instrument, press menu, we're going to go into the settings page, load and save, and this pop-up window is going to appear. I am going to go ahead and select my absolute 2 megahertz preset. It has been loaded. Now I can come off of the menu and we are at the pane, at the main phase plane. I'm going to place my probe here, balance it, and my signal is already here. As you can see, what the user will need to do to make sure that everything is according to his procedure, make sure that your gain levels are at an ideal situation for your sensitivity requirements, and you also change the phase to put the phase signal to be perpendicular. So let's do this right now with the phase. A little bit too much. There you go. So now I have my signals on my screen and I am set up with a 2 megahertz probe. The same can be done with the 200 kilohertz probe. We just follow the same procedure once again. We go into the menu, settings, press OK, load and save, and then I just make the change to the 200 kilohertz signal as I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to remove my 2 megahertz and I'm going to put on a 200 kilohertz probe. I'm going to select it, go out my main window, balance, and there's my signal. Of course, I have to change my phase as well. There's my phase, and this is my signal. So it's pretty much on the right ballpark for your 200 kilohertz, and again, for your sensitivity, you just play with your gain levels to make sure that your sensitivity is at the required levels and you're ready. So it's pretty simple.